This channel is sponsored by Creality. Go to Creality.com and find all of your 3D printing tools. Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope everybody's having a great Labor Day weekend. Or had by the time this video comes out. Anyway, we're back on the SVJ. We're gonna be doing the fiberglass. So we've done the hood and the fenders, and now we're getting onto the front fascia or front bumper. So let me show you how we're progressing. So what I've done here is I've acetoned in some of the fiberglass mat, which is basically the same procedure I used for the other panels. This one obviously was more of a challenge. It took me a few days to get all this stuff basically acetoned in. Now we're going to go and we're going to mix up some epoxy, and we're going to get to laminating 2 more coats on the front bumper. And then hopefully if we have time later, we're going to do the window frame and start at least glassing in acetoning in the glass on the window frame. Let's get started. Okay, so got most of this fiberglass laid down. Spent a lot of time getting it flat as I possibly could. You can see that, you know, there's still probably some little pockets under there, but they seem really strong. So I don't know. We'll find out down the road. But you know, we still have to glass the other side. Gonna probably skin this in some Duraglass, and we'll see how where we go from there. But so far I'm pretty happy with the process. Things seem to be just, you know, sticking like I would hope, so that we have the 3D printed core in there, which again, I get a lot of questions. Why don't you just make molds and blah blah blah? And the answer to that is I want this to be a 3D printed car. So I think that there's an option and an opportunity for people to go ahead and, make molds out of these. And you can see from what I've shown on the ASA prints, the fiberglass can just peel right off. So probably a good base for making some molds. Anyway, with that being said, we're going to move forward. I've already acetoned in the next layer, which is going to go on the windshield surround. And so now we're going to get busy with getting this all glassed up. Okay, so this is now all hardened up. Seems like these are not bubbles, which is good. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. It's really nice to have something now that is really solid. And I think once it gets a coat on the other side, it'll be perfect. Next thing I've been doing is starting on the rocker here. So getting all the glass embedded in. One of the things I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to thin out the epoxy a little bit more, so it lays down a little bit better. So we'll see how that goes, because if I do get some inclusions and stuff, that's the beauty about fiberglass, it's a lot easier to repair. So if once I start sanding on this, I kind of do some breakthroughs, I'll be able to fix those and repair those. But for the most part, it's worked out pretty well. So that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoy it. We're just gonna keep on moving forward, or backward actually, and keep doing the panels on the car. I'll get all the panels done. We'll get them mounted to each other and to the frame properly. Then I can cut them all loose, take them off, and then start working on the other side. And then once we've done that, then we can start doing some body work. I'm going to put in some Duraglass to smooth things out, and then hit with some primer. So stay tuned for that. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.